the last day, 7-day, monochromatic, all pink. And a wing liner. A winged. I will show you the shades I will be using, and I will show you how. Oh, now that I have here, I just have my transition shade at hand, so I will do in that one first. It's the same as all the ones in the series. So yeah, why not? Doing it right now. Yeah, now I will show you the pinks. Well, I will be applying this pink in the outer third. This pink here that you cannot see it, but it's pink, in the middle of the lid. This one here that is pink as well, but it's a little bit washed out with this camera. I will put it in the inner corner. This one, it will be a highlighter, and this one will be my eyeliner, which is this shade. So I will be applying that pink like that. And I will place that shade there again. Just like that. Now with my fingers I will apply the other two shades. So I will be applying this. This is cool toned pink, and this is a little bit more warm toned pink. That's why it looks a little bit different. This is a finger that is clean, it has nothing. I will be like cleaning the edge. So now is the time of the eyeliner. With a brush like this, I will be just gathering a little bit more of this shade, and I will wet it. I cannot wet it right now because I just have one hand, and I will wet, and I make like a paste, and then that paste right here in the same pan, but I will do kind of a paste, and I will just reach for the paste every single time that I will be doing my wing line. And also when I do that sort of paste, the brush will be like making a thin point. Now I will close my eyes because I found that way was a little bit easier for me. We'll close my eyes and we'll just follow this thing. I don't know if you can see. With my eyes closed, I can reach this part. Well, I shouldn't go down there. You can leave it right there. You can leave it like that. As when you open your eyes, I will just deepen it a little bit more, but you can leave it right there. So when you open your eyes, it's kind of that effect, or just wing it out. And now the only thing that I'm going to do is I will take more of the shade and feel it kind of intensifying that bright pink, that bubblegum pink or Barbie pink. So now that I have a little bit more on the brush, what I'm not doing is, oh, I'm trying to match this with this. I'm just showing you what I did. And then I just clean down there so I can have that pointy line actually. So that is a little bit more intense on the other side. So yeah, I will clean this with a wipe or with powder. This is a whole mess. With a wipe, and I will apply the mascara, and basically it's it. Just right there. Yeah. Well, and that's it. This is all. I have this area here is kind of a little bit more dark. It's darker because I used a brush that it had some other shade in it, but it should have been like this actually. So thank you so much for watching. Now I will be looking at the results of every single post of these 7 days, 7 eyeshadow looks or 7 eye looks. And I will be, in a couple of weeks, I will be uploading the result. So, and which one of the ones that I did was my favorite. So I think I have a winner already. So yeah, thumbs up if you liked it. And I hope to see you in the next season and in my next videos. Bye bye.